Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are taking a look at the best M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink that can help your high-speed storage stay cool and perform at its best. If you want better stability and longer life from your SSD, this small upgrade can make a big difference. Let's see what makes it stand out. Let's get started. The product we are talking about is the Tucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. This heatsink is designed to control heat effectively, which is very important for fast NVMe drives. When an SSD gets too hot, performance can drop and long-term durability can suffer. The Tucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink helps solve that problem by pulling heat away quickly and efficiently. Installation is simple and straightforward. The package includes thermal pads and screws, so you can mount it securely without needing extra parts. The thermal pads sit between the SSD and the aluminum body, helping transfer heat smoothly from the drive to the heatsink. This ensures better contact and more effective cooling. One of the key features of the Tucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is its double-sided all-aluminum construction. Aluminum is known for excellent heat conduction, and using it on both sides increases the cooling surface area. This allows heat to spread out faster instead of building up in one spot. The surface also has an anidotic oxidation treatment. This finish not only improves durability, but also increases the dissipation area, which means even better heat release. At the center of its cooling system is a silent, rotating turbine fan. This fan works together with your PC case airflow to push hot air away from the SSD. Even during heavy workloads, the turbine design helps maintain stable temperatures. The best part is that it runs quietly, so you get strong cooling without adding distracting noise to your system. Another important benefit of the Tucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is data protection. By keeping temperatures under control, it reduces the risk of overheating that could affect performance or stability. A cooler SSD means more consistent speeds and greater peace of mind when handling important files. Despite its powerful cooling features, the heatsink remains compact. It is compatible with a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSDs, making it a flexible option for different builds. Whether you are upgrading an existing system or building a new one, it fits easily without taking up unnecessary space. The overall design feels solid and well-made. The anodized aluminum gives it a clean and professional look, while the turbine fan adds a modern touch. Every part of the Tucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is built to balance rapid cooling, silent operation, and reliable performance. Small upgrade, big protection. If you want your SSD to run cooler and last longer, this is worth considering. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart tech upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.